What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got an exciting unboxing. We've got some early releases from the great people at Circle B Diecast. So we're gonna get into it and go over it. Make sure to leave a comment on which car you like the best from this unboxing. Subscribe for more. We got all the packing peanuts in here. So we've got new Nextgen. We got the die-cast bodies, the rubber wheels. 2022 season, Nextgen. We got Daniel Suarez in his ComScope number 99 as the first one here. So again, early releases on Circle B. The regular ARC is supposed to come in next month. So good to get some cool cars early. And don't mind the extra detail as well. We got Chris Buescher in his 5th Third Bank number 17 Ford. A beautiful scheme here. Saw this one in person, flipping over during the 600 at Charlotte. But a beautiful scheme. And we got some down in here. We've got Bubba Wallace in his Dr. Pepper number 23. Another pretty one here for 2311 Racing. Definitely looks good. Next, we've got Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Irish Springs number 47. Good to get a Ricky Stenhouse Jr. car this early on in the season. The diecast season, that is. Pretty car, looks good. Last one coming up is Chase Briscoe in his number 14 Phoenix Race Version diecast. This will be a good one to get open and take a look at. And the reviews will be coming soon on all these. But this one I'm pretty excited for. Good to see some race winners already coming in. But there are the cars. Again, the die-cast bodies, chassis, and the rubber wheels. Early releases, Circle B Diecast. Make sure you guys leave your comments on which one you like the best. Stay tuned for the reviews coming up later on this week. Subscribe for more. Like this video. Thank you guys for checking it out. And I'll see you in the next one.